Alright, here we're going to convert from degrees to radians and radians to degrees. Now here we're given radians. Now radians has the pi. Now our conversion factor with this is going to be 180 over pi. Okay. Now with this, if you ever get confused about it, always remember that you need your pi's to cancel out, so put it under bottom. So what we're going to end up doing is taking 7/12 pi and multiplying it times 180 pi. So let's do 180 over pi, and technically we're multiplying. Now the pi's will cancel out, and so what we do is if you take 17 times 180 and then divide by 12, okay, that'll give you the answer to this. So we end up with 255 degrees. Alright, let's look at the next example. Alright, here we're going from degrees to radians. Now we use the same conversion factor, but let's think about it. When we end up in radians, okay, we either have, for what we're doing, we're going to have pi in our answer. So that means we're going to have pi over 180, okay, which is going to be 315 over 180, okay, pi. We'll reduce this and then come up with our answer. Okay, so for this one we end up with 7/4 pi. Let's go ahead and look at the next example. Okay, here we have 70 degrees and we're going to radians. So we'll have pi over 180. So we end up with 70 over 180. Okay, pi. This reduces, so we end up with 7/18 pi. Alright, try 310, see what you come up with. Remembering that anytime you go from degrees to radians, it's going to be pi over 180. Okay, so you end up with 310 over 180 pi. Those will cancel out. So you get 31/18 pi for that one. Because 10 goes into both of them, so that's how I'm ending up with 31 over 18. Alright, now for these last two, they come, well actually last three, they come off the review sheets. You should have it. I'm just going to go ahead and give you the answers. Check these to make sure you can come up with these. And if you can't, just come see me and I'll go over those. And then for number 7, you should end up with 16/9 pi. So that's how you convert from degrees to radians and radians to degrees.